Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today I have a very special guest on my show, Gurbani. So Gurbani, just say hi to everyone.
Hello, beautiful people.
Oh yeah, so you know why she is there? She is not elder, she is very cute kid, right? So she is there on our channel because she want that yes, she also want to do something for her elders. And you know what is speciality about Gurbani? Gurbani has a mother, grandmother and great grandmother. Can you imagine 4 generations in one frame? Right Gurbani? Am I correct?
Yes,
Right. So Gurbani, what your grandmother does?
my grandmother has been household works.
She does household works and she keeps herself very active. She helps her mom. She used to tell me that she always keep on she's on her toes to keep herself active. And what your great grandmother does?
He can, but my grandmother,
Great grandmother.
great grandmother, has been walk, has been rest, and has been watching TV.
Oh yeah. So she tries to keep herself active, right? At the age, she must be around 80, 85 to 90, right? Somewhere around?
Yes.
Yeah, so she might be 85 to 90 somewhere. And you know, today in School for Elders, the story which I have, it's highly inspiring. It is similar to the generations which Gurbani has. And this, our grandmother has helped and her granddaughters also helped her in starting her own startup. At the age of 90, my dear friends, do you know that?
Yes.
You know?
Oh no.
Very, no?
No.
You know? Okay, you must be knowing right now, but were you knowing yesterday?
Yes, because you have told me.
Yeah, I have told her that that this grandmother has, but she was not aware. So she was very surprised and she wanted to support because she also wanted her grandmothers and great grandmothers to do something for themselves, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, because they are still active. So what happened at the age of 90 when this grandmother was sitting with her daughter and she was narrating her story. I've done everything, you know, but only thing I am left with that I could not earn in monetary terms something. So her daughter has suggested that why can't you start a business of besan ki barfi, which is very famous delicacy of yours, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So then she has started making besan ki barfi, all right. And then you know what happened? She just took that burfi to market and just guess how much money she could make?
I think 1,000.
1000. Oh yeah. So 1000. She has made 2000, my dear friends. Do you know Gurbani?
Oh really?
Yeah, when we educated people search for jobs and we just spend only money to get a job, this grandmother sitting at home made 2000 rupees. That's profit, I'm telling you, right? Except the cost. Isn't it amazing?
Yes, so amazing.
Right? And now she's a household brand named by her bhajan Kaur. And you know what, Gurbani? Her granddaughter has helped in getting the tagline for that brand.
Which tagline?
Bachpan yaad aa jaye. That's
Oh,
the tagline.
So amazing tagline.
Right? Bachpan yaad aa jaye. So that's my request to everyone. Please start motivating by telling these story. And she's now 95. And you know what, Gurbani? She has been, and my dear viewers also, she has been recognized by Anand Mahindra as an entrepreneur of the year.
Oh my god!
Yes, just imagine when people work so hard for entrepreneurship and these awards, she has been given the title by such an authentic source, right? And she is mesmerizing. Her story is so inspiring, and now she has her business in chutneys and pickles and besan ki barfi. Isn't it amazing that she's doing such work at
Yes,
this
so
age?
amazing.
Right? It's so inspiring for all of us, right? You can do anything at any age. It is just a number for everyone, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's just a number. So today, after this story, I will definitely post the story and all the hardships which this lady has faced, and she is attending all the conferences, you know, all the where all the big entrepreneurs come, and she is giving tips to them that what you should do and what you should not do. So it's great and amazing to recognize such efforts. So today's wellness mantra will come to. So Gurbani, जब आपके माँ बाप आपको डांटते हैं या आपके टीचर्स आपको कुछ कहते हैं, what do you do? क्या करते हो आप?
मैं अपने ही कमरे में, अगर कोई मतलब मेरे कमरे में कोई होता नहीं, वैसे तो मेरे मंजरात होते हैं, मेरा भाई, अगर मेरे कमरे में कोई होता नहीं तो मैं अपने ही कमरे में जाती हूँ और जी भर के रो लेती हूँ। फिर जब मेरा मतलब रोना ख़त्म हो जाता है, मुझे लगता है कि चलो मैं ना मतलब मेरा सब कुछ हो गया है, मैंने जी भर के रो लिया, तो मैं बाहर जाती हूँ और फिर अपनी मम्मा से थोड़ी सी बातें करके फिर से हम हो जाते हैं।
फिर से आप अपने मम्मा को फिर क्या कहते हो? आपकी तो गलती होगी ना, तभी मम्मा डांटती है, ऐसे तो
मैं
नहीं
मम्मा
डांटती?
को सॉरी बोलती हूँ और फिर मम्मा मुझे माफ़ कर देते हैं और फिर हम दोनों की फिर से
फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है।
फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है।
Wow, how sweet. Oh my god, I want to hug this girl. Wow, so sweet. Such a sweet gesture, such a simple thing. Aren't you getting the wellness mantra? This is the wellness mantra for today. You know what? I didn't know. I have not even trained her on this. I just thought of that what a child can do. Why can't we be like child? My wellness mantra was anyways about something like childlike. But yeah, certain things came to my mind when I have heard. It's not at all scripted. It's on the spot. And she's my neighbor, and she's not any actor or something that I could bring her on my channel or do acting. So this is what she does, and this is what we adults should also do. Whenever you feel angry or you are not well, you are not upset, just acknowledge your feelings. She has acknowledged that yes, I am not well, someone has not spoken to me nicely, right? So she cried a lot. Or this is the way you can shout or you can do whatever, just release your anger. Because जब तक आपके अंदर dead rats रहेंगे, till the time you have dead rats, no matter how much perfume you sprinkle, you will not get that fragrance, right? Once you remove all those dead rats, then only you will be fragrant. You don't even need any perfumes also. Then all the meditation practices, journaling, everything will start working. Isn't it amazing? I mean, so sweet gesture by a small child. तभी तो कहते हैं बच्चे मन के सच्चे और बच्चे हैं भगवान का रूप. तो अगर टीचर से भी कुछ होता है तो बच्चा रो लेता है और फिर से वैसा हो जाता है, राइट? सो दैट इज द मंत्रा. अपना अंदर का एंगर रिलीज करें एंड देन do whatever you like, right? So today's wellness mantra is release your anger and just stay quiet for some time and be the same person as God has made you, right? Very nice. So thank you so much. Thanks Kurbani for coming to my channel and for a feature, and we'll definitely connect with you. See you till next video. Bye bye, take care.